Hello everyone, I am Samita Anuradha from IT Solution Engineering. Today I am excited to present on leading the digital transformation challenge and commitment. We will be focusing on our project to implement a green enterprise resource plan in our ERP system at EcoCeramic Limited, a company dedicated to sustainable manufacturing. Let's move first slide. Introduction. Digital transformation is reshaping industries across the globe. It involves using technologies like artificial intelligence, IoT, and cloud computing to improve both productivity and environmental responsibility. At EcoCeramic Limited, this transformation supports our mission to reduce waste and optimize operation, contributing to green future. However, achieving this is not just about technology, it also requires strong leadership, effective communication, and commitment to ethics and professionalism. Leadership styles. Let's now explore our leadership styles that are critical during digital transformation. First, transformational leadership. This style is all about inspiring and motivating people toward a shared vision. Transformational leaders are change agents. They challenge the status quo, encourage innovation, and uplift their teams. A great example is Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. When he took over, he shifted the company's focus from Windows centric product to cloud computing and AI. He used clear communication and emotional intelligence to rally the workplace around a new sustainable future. At EcoCeramic, transformational leadership is vital to motivate employees to embrace eco-friendly system and adapt to the new ERP technology. Second one, transactional leadership. This is more structured and result oriented. It works well when process and goals are clearly defined. Like during system implementation passes where timeline and deliverables are key. Bill Gates is a prime example. He focused on concert objectives, used performance metrics, and emphasized accountability. At EcoCeramic, transactional leadership can help monitor ERP rollout progress, enforce training schedules, and ensure every time member meets expectations. Third is servant leadership. This style prioritizes the needs of others and empowers employees by listening and supporting them. Dr. Martin Luther King is a powerful example. His leadership was not about authority but about serving the community, upholding ethics and promoting equality. In our case, servant leaders can ensure all employees feel heard and supported during the transition to a green ERP system, reducing resistance and building trust. Finally, autocratic leadership. This style can be effective in urgent or high stake situations. Elon Musk, for instance, is known for making fast, bold decisions that have driven rapid innovation at Tesla and SpaceX. In a digital transformation scenario, especially when responding to technical issues or system failures, autocratic leadership can provide quick direction and minimize downtime. Importance of group meeting. Group meetings play a key role in managing project teams. They ensure alignment, promote collaboration, and help track progress. Meeting foster continuous improvement, support decision making, and resolve issues in real time. Effective meeting use structured agendas, set smart goals, and encourage participation from all members. Assigning action item and sharing minute ensure the transparency and accountability. Persuasion and negotiation in project management. Persuasion and negotiation are essential for successful project management. They help gain stakeholder support, resolve conflicts, and align team objectives. Effective negotiation starts with preparation and understanding others' interest, building trust, presenting logical benefits, and using win-win approach are key. For example, convincing the IT team to adopt a new CRM system requires showing data-driven advantage and handling objection respectfully. Coaching and mentoring. Coaching and mentoring are critical in building high performance teams. They help enhance individual skills, increase motivation, and promote leadership development. Mentorship also facilitates knowledge sharing and trust among team members. In a fast paced environment like ours, providing guidance and support help employees feel valued and better equipped to contribute to the company's success. Social responsibility for engineers. As engineers, we carry a deep responsibility to society. We don't just implement technology, we must consider its ethical implication and environmental impact. Our responsibility is to design for public safety, minimize harm, and act in ways that benefit both individuals and community. Upholding this responsibility ensure that our work contributes positively to a sustainable and ethical future. Importance of ethical standards. Ethical standards guide our decision making. We must prioritize public safety, ensure sustainable development, and uphold honesty and fairness. Innovation is crucial, but it must serve the public good. Transparency is vital. We must clearly communication risk and limitations, especially in a field like ERP implementation where ethical choices impact both the environmental and society. Continuing in professional development CPD. CPD is vital to stay competent and up to date. It involves identifying skill gaps, setting goals, participating in learning activities and reflecting on outcome. The benefits are immense: improved skills, greater industry revolutions, and better career growth. Especially in digital transformation, staying informed ensure we make that the best technical and ethical decisions. Staying active in the engineering profession. Finally, staying active in the engineering profession is essential. Technology evolves rapidly and keeping up enhance problem solving, boost innovation and help maintain compliance. Being involved in professional communities, reading publications and pursuing new knowledge help engineers like us contribute meaningful to both our companies and society. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given you insight into how digital transformation, leadership, and professional responsibility